life alone longer than I should have, breaking down the roads and crosses, torching everything I could have, like a child. But when you smiled, you made it all worthwhile, leading me from the dark like a horseshoe kicking up sparks. Your hands were hard and ready to hold a heart that's heavy, to get under the hours, 'cause I'm a snake hidden in the flowers, leading on my better angels, cleaning stables, turning tables, breaking me in like jeans, play me out like a movie scene. And then we find ourselves dancing in the kitchen, in the refrigerator light, drinking cheap wine, fade into the night. You're like Chanel, I'm more like turpentine. Come break my fever tonight. Your prolific happiness, I'm a hothead pessimist. I think the world is overcrowded, you've never thought about it. Sometimes we lay in bed, play our lives out in our head, looking in that by and by, picking diamonds from the sky. 'Cause then we find ourselves dancing in the kitchen, in the refrigerator light, drinking cheap wine, fade into the night. You're like Monet, I'm a bad Frank Lloyd Wright. Come break my fever tonight. Cause then we find ourselves dancing in the kitchen, in the refrigerator light, drinking cheap wine, fade into the night. You like Chanel, I'm more like turpentine. Come break my fever tonight. Come break my...
Hello everybody and welcome back to the Chateau for the first time in quite a while, and that is because, well, I've been off having a bit of an adventure, and I will go into all of that. I will explain because it's took quite a lot of doing, to be fair, and it was something I wanted to do for 14 years, so I will explain why I've disappeared. However, it's straight back into it because of that time of year.
I am back at the bar. This is not anywhere near finished, as you can see, but the roofing bits are in because that's going to have a proper roof put on it. And no, it's not just going to stay like that. There's more stuff to go on the front of that, but I think that's probably about as far as I'm going to manage today, because I need to go and get my chop saw, which would have been really helpful up until now. But the next part needs my chop saw, so I need to. I think this will keep you guessing as well. It's a new design. The bar's similar, the same. I'll go over what's different. You'll see. Obviously, it's got less uprights. There's going to be all sorts of bits and pieces on that. It's a completely different design out here, and I want to get that done quickly so I can then do the weeding again. And I need to get on with some stuff in the back garden because everything's about time at the moment.
Your prolific happiness, I'm a hothead pessimist. I think the world is overcrowded, you've never thought about it. Sometimes we lay in bed, play our lives out in our head, looking in that by and by, picking diamonds from the sky. 'Cause then we find ourselves dancing in the kitchen, in the refrigerator light, the kitchen in the refrigerator light.
So I am back and doing things in a certain type of order. Bushes, hedges, that sort of thing that had grown into the path of the little mowers needed cutting back. They won't grow back much now, so it's great to get the job done. And it allows the little robots and everything to do things while I am doing other more important things. There's a massive branch came down in one of the thunderstorms while I was away. Other than that, it's looking pretty good. I mean, the grass doesn't really grow, but we do get these weird saplings grow all the way through the grass here. Like this little one here at the bottom of the steps. It's, got to be honest, very, very it looks interesting when you have me running the grass, because the grass is perfect and then they're everywhere. So that's, I'm thinking at the moment, there's lots of stuff to do. I've got lots of things to catch up on, but I've got to get stuff going as soon as possible, which is all about, things that take time being done while I am getting other things done. Okay, pea soup incoming, obviously, but there. Down there. That's one. There's another one. Well, that seems to have floated to the top. And there are a couple more, the other two going all that way down the side of the house. So half the aeration system is fitted and actually starting to do its job, believe it or not. You can see it starting to dissipate. It's going to need more than that. We're going to need to physically get some of this stuff out, and I've got something else for that, but I don't think I'm going to be able to fit that quite today. That is the first in many, many, many days of just getting back into it after my time away. As I said, I will tell you all about my little adventure and why I've been gone, but first off, I just need to get caught up and get cracking at this. So there's going to be lots of work and not much talking, because I just need to get into it. But it's all going to be a little bit random, because some things need doing and then time, So if I need to put certain things into the moat, so I've actually got a water pump coming. I'm waiting for some pipe. So then we can pump water out the top, sucking the horrible green crap through then a filter and putting the water back in, hopefully then being able to clear loads of that stuff at the same time as the aeration system is running, so that can be running in the background while I'm doing other jobs. Lots of jumping around in the aid of using time correctly. And the solar panels there, so the battery, and then we can fit the other bit of the Moat aeration system that should run off the batteries. It's all getting very exciting. Especially with a mildly new found enthusiasm for everything after my little trip away. So I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye now.